Ever wondered how the boundary between our physical world and the digital universe is becoming increasingly blurred? Welcome to the realm of augmented reality, or AR. This fascinating technology is not to be confused with its cousin, virtual reality. While virtual reality whisks you away to entirely computer-generated environments, augmented reality brings the digital to you by overlaying it onto your immediate surroundings. Imagine looking at your living room through your smartphone's camera, but now there's a digital dinosaur walking around your coffee table. That's augmented reality for you. It enhances our perception of the world by adding layers of digital information to it, like images, sounds, and even haptic feedback. This doesn't just make for cool visual effects, it also changes the way we interact with our environment, adding a whole new dimension to our reality. So, let's dive into the myriad ways AR is reshaping our reality. Remember the times when we relied on paper maps or word-of-mouth directions? Those days seem like a distant past thanks to AR. Augmented reality has revolutionized our approach to navigation and wayfinding. No longer do we squint at tiny map details or struggle to interpret complex instructions. Now our devices do the heavy lifting for us, overlaying digital content onto the real world to guide our way. Think about navigation apps like Google Maps, for example. With AR, these apps can project directions right onto your view of the street. No more second-guessing which way to turn at a busy intersection. The path is clear, laid out in vibrant, easy-to-follow visuals, and it's not just about getting from point A to point B. AR enhances our journeys with real-time information. Imagine standing in a foreign city, your device highlighting points of interest as you pass by, providing you with historical context, restaurant reviews, or even the day's weather forecast. The benefits of AR-enhanced navigation are profound. For pedestrians, it's about ease and safety. For drivers, it's about real-time traffic updates and safer routes. And for travelers, it's about discovery and enrichment. In essence, Arkansas doesn't just get us to our destination, it makes the journey itself more meaningful. It transforms the act of navigation from a task into an experience. It's like having a personal tour guide in your pocket, ready to enrich your understanding of the world around you. AR has undeniably made our journeys smoother and more enjoyable. Shopping has never been the same since AR made its way into the retail industry. Imagine the convenience of trying on a pair of sunglasses or testing out a lipstick shade without even leaving your home. This is the reality of augmented reality in retail. It's not just about adding an element of fun, it's about bringing the products to life in the most realistic way possible. Let's take a look at some of the ways AR is revolutionizing our shopping experiences. There are now apps that allow you to virtually try on clothes, jewelry, or makeup. You simply point your camera at yourself, and the app overlays the chosen item onto your image. This not only saves you time, but also helps you make more confident purchase decisions. In brick-and-mortar stores, Arkansas takes the shopping experience to a whole new level. With the help of your smartphone, you can scan products to access additional information, customer reviews, or even see how the product is used in real-life scenarios. Moreover, Arkansas is enabling personalized shopping experiences. Based on your preferences, past purchases, and browsing history, Arkansas technology can suggest products tailored to your taste. It's like having a personal shopper right in your pocket. And let's not forget about the fun aspect. AR brings an element of playfulness and engagement into shopping that was previously unheard of. AR has indeed added a new dimension to our shopping experiences. Can you imagine teleporting to the pyramids of Egypt for a history lesson or dissecting a virtual frog in biology class? With AR, this is possible. Augmented reality is transforming education and training, making learning more interactive and immersive. Imagine a world where textbooks spring to life, where complex concepts are visualized in 3 dimensions, and where virtual field trips are part of the daily curriculum. This is the world that AR is creating for us. AR is being used to facilitate hands-on learning. Science and engineering students can manipulate virtual 3D models of the human body or mechanical parts, exploring them from all angles. They can perform virtual dissections or assemble complex machinery, gaining practical experience without the need for expensive equipment or materials. Virtual field trips powered by AR are breaking down the walls of the classroom, transporting students to far-off places and historical eras. They can walk among the dinosaurs, explore the depths of the ocean, or visit the International Space Station, all without leaving their desks. The potential of AR to enhance engagement, retention, and understanding in educational settings is immense. Studies show that AR can improve learning outcomes, with students demonstrating better recall and comprehension when using AR-enhanced materials. AR is not just enhancing education, it's revolutionizing it. It's creating a world where learning is a vibrant, hands-on, immersive experience. A world where every student has the opportunity to explore, discover, and understand the world in new and exciting ways. From catching Pokémon in the park to dancing with a virtual pop star, Arkansas is making entertainment more interactive and immersive than ever. Augmented reality is playing a pivotal role in the entertainment industry, notably in gaming. It's transforming our screens into windows, offering us a peek into a new digitally enhanced reality. Games like Pokémon Go or Harry Potter, Wizards Unite are just the tip of the iceberg. They've created a new genre of gaming where the real world becomes the playground. But it's not just gaming. AR is also adding a new dimension to storytelling. Imagine reading a book where characters come to life, or watching a movie where the action happens in your living room. This blurring of digital and physical experiences is creating a whole new form of entertainment. And let's not forget the social aspect of AR. It's creating shared experiences that are reshaping our cultural landscape. Remember the craze when everyone was out catching Pokémon? It was more than a game, it was a social phenomenon. AR is also empowering creators, allowing them to create interactive art installations, live performances, and even fashion shows in augmented reality. The possibilities are endless. In essence, Arkansas is not just transforming entertainment, it's revolutionizing it, making it more personal, more interactive, and more immersive. Entertainment, as we know it, is being redefined by AR. Imagine being able to visualize your dream home down to the smallest detail before making any purchases. AR makes this possible. Home improvement and interior design are being revolutionized by augmented reality. It's all about making your dream home a reality before spending a dime. Gone are the days when you had to rely solely on imagination or rudimentary sketches. AR brings your vision to life right in your living room. Augmented reality apps are leading this transformation. Picture this, an app that lets you virtually place a piece of furniture in your room. You can change its position, rotate it, even swap the color to see how it fits in with your decor. It's like having a virtual showroom in your pocket, and it's not just furniture. Want to see how a particular shade of paint would look on your walls? Or how about trying out different kitchen layouts without knocking down a single wall? There's an AR app for that. The real magic of AR lies in its power to empower consumers. It's not just about viewing options, it's about making informed decisions. With AR, you can experiment, iterate, and perfect your design before committing. It streamlines the process, helps avoid costly mistakes, and ultimately leads to a home that truly reflects your taste and personality. AR is truly the interior designer's magic wand. From helping surgeons visualize complex procedures to aiding in patient rehabilitation, Arkansas is making waves in the healthcare industry. This cutting-edge technology is not just a fancy gadget, it's a powerful tool that's revolutionizing medical practices. Consider the realm of surgical operations. AR provides surgeons with a detailed three-dimensional view of the patient's anatomy, overlaying crucial data directly onto the surgeon's field of view. This can lead to more precise and safer surgeries, potentially improving patient outcomes. But the benefits of AR in healthcare extend beyond the operating room. In the realm of medical training, Arkansas is used to create immersive learning environments. Instead of learning from textbooks, medical students can now interact with virtual patients and practice complex procedures in a risk-free environment. Moreover, Arkansas is also making strides in patient care and rehabilitation. It's being used to create personalized exercise regimes for patients recovering from strokes or injuries. These virtual exercises can be tailored to each patient's condition, making the rehabilitation process more effective. And let's not forget about its role in patient education. AR can help patients better understand their conditions by visualizing their diagnosis in a three-dimensional format. This can lead to increased patient engagement and compliance with treatment plans. AR is not just a novelty, it's a transformative technology that's reshaping healthcare. From improving surgical outcomes to enhancing patient education, Arkansas is poised to be a game changer in healthcare. The possibilities with AR seem limitless, but what does the future hold and what challenges lie ahead? As we move forward, augmented reality is set to become an integral part of our everyday lives. We'll see a rise in spatial computing, where our physical and digital worlds will blend seamlessly. Wearable AR devices will become more common, compact, and fashionable, making AR experiences more personal and immersive. But just as we're excited about these advancements, we must also be cognizant of potential challenges. Privacy concerns will need to be addressed as we navigate a world where digital content overlays our physical spaces. Technical limitations such as battery life and processing power will need to be overcome. And as AR becomes more pervasive, regulatory issues will likely come to the forefront. Emerging technologies like machine learning and artificial intelligence are set to converge with AR, opening up new realms of possibilities. As we look ahead, it's clear that AR will continue to break boundaries and reshape our reality. As we've seen, Arkansas is not just about catching Pokemon or trying on virtual sunglasses. It's about transforming the way we interact with the world, from navigating city streets to shopping online, from learning complex concepts to improving our health and homes. Arkansas is reshaping our reality in extraordinary ways. It's elevating our experiences, enriching our understanding, and enhancing our everyday lives. The future of AR promises to be as exciting as it is transformative, and we're just at the beginning of this incredible journey.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content like this.